जय गुरु जी, शुक्राना गुरु जी, लाख लाख शुक्राना गुरु महाराज। संगत जी, आज हम लाइट ऑफ डिविनिटी की रीडिंग करेंगे। टुडे वी बी रीडिंग लाइट ऑफ डिविनिटी फ्रॉम पेज नंबर 49 to 50. God sitting amongst us, satsang of a devotee. Shukrana Guru Maharaj, Shukrana Multilingual Platform, and Shukrana Suresh Uncle for giving this opportunity to read this Mahagranth of Guru Maharaj. So Sangat ji, let's begin with reading of God sitting amongst us. There was a time when temples, places of pilgrimage, idols, workshops, rituals and astrology, a belief in omen, all had a meaning. They have become meaningless to me ever since I met Guruji. How blessed we are to be with our Guruji. Guruji is not a magician or a priest or a Swami. He is God, just sitting here amongst us, making our lives easier and happier by the day. My experiences prove my faith and extremely strong belief in him. As a devotee, I connected with Guruji the first day I met him. I got married with Guruji's blessings in November 2000. Soon after my wedding, Guruji started telling me that he would bless me with a son. My husband and I would never take too much interest in that repetitive line of Guruji. Ek munda le le, take one son. And he kept saying this from November 2000 to July 2003. On July 7th, the very auspicious day of Guruji's birthday, there was a huge Sangat at Bare Mandir, where we all sat and cherished his divine company till 3:30 a.m. And that's when he called me and told me that he had blessed us with a son. We took leave and left the temple, again not paying attention to what Guruji has said. 1 week later, on 13 July 2003, there was a Guru Purnima and I went to Guruji with my mother-in-law. Guruji has no secrets with anyone. He talks aloud to each and every one. But that day, just as I touched his feet to take leave, he beckoned me closer to me. He beckoned me closer to him and whispered in my ears that I was pregnant and that I should not reveal it to anyone. Yet I did. I came back home and gave this news to my husband. He ignored it and he said that I believe in Guruji too much. However, I waited till I could find medically if I was pregnant or not. Sure enough, on August 1, my pregnancy test was positive and Guruji's blessings had come true. Now here is where the catch is. As humans, we lose patience and fall in our own estimations. Because if we want something from Guruji, it has to be now. But look at my case. Guruji had been telling me for 3 long years to get blessed with a child, but I had not even once questioned or let the thought cross my mind that he has been saying it for long. Why doesn't it happen? We have power to see till the wall, whereas Guruji has the power to see beyond that. He knows when the timing is right for anything, and that is when he is going to make it happen. No priest or saint or a magician has the power to recreate, and that is exactly what Guruji did to me. And sure enough, I gave birth to a baby boy. No doubt about that. In fact, my husband and I would not have been possible to have a family without medical treatment, but Guruji made it happen without any difficulty. Each devotee has to repeat only one word or a line of a Shabad with 100% devotion for days and months and maybe sometimes years for a particular reason. To hammer on one spot again and again so the door breaks open, and it does. Satsang of a devotee. Shukrana Guru Maharaj, lakh lakh Shukrana for keeping us under your fold and blessing us immensely. Guru Maharaj, your immense blessings are on this entire world and nation. Anantam Anantam Shukrana Guru Maharaj. Jai Guruji, Shukrana Guruji.